Ever found your Samsung Smart TV stuck on the logo, refusing to boot up properly? Or perhaps you're looking to delve into some advanced settings to really personalize your viewing experience. Today, we're going to demystify accessing the boot options menu on your Samsung Smart TV, a powerful tool for troubleshooting and customization. First, ensure your TV is completely powered off. This isn't just standby mode. You want to make sure the power light is off. Now, grab your Samsung TV remote. You'll need to press and hold a specific sequence of buttons, but timing is key. Press and hold the mute button on your remote first. Keep holding it down. Immediately after, while still holding mute, press and hold the power button on your TV itself. That's the physical button on the TV, usually located on the back, bottom, or side. Continue holding both the mute button on the remote and the physical power button on the TV. You should see the Samsung logo appear briefly, and then, if done correctly, the Diagnostic or Boot Options menu will load. This is where you'll find options like System Reset, Self-Diagnosis, and other advanced troubleshooting tools. Navigate through these options using the arrow keys on your remote to select an option. Press the Enter or OK button. Remember, proceeding with a factory reset will erase all your personalized settings, so be sure that's what you intend to do. This accessible menu is your gateway to resolving common startup glitches, clearing out temporary data for smoother performance, or even accessing deeper system functions. Mastering this simple button combination gives you significantly more control over your Samsung Smart TV's performance and longevity. Go ahead, give it a try, and keep your Samsung Smart TV running at its best.